The new prototype electric superbike from Triumph. The TE-1. This electric prototype is powered by a 15 kg motor and inverter assembly making 177 horsepower and 109 Nm of torque. The bike can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.6 seconds and reach 160 km per hour in 6.2 seconds. It weighs a total of 220 kg with a frame made entirely of aluminium. The charging times are quick as it takes a mere 20 minutes to get to 80% from 0, and, on a full charge, Triumph claims the TE-1 can achieve a 161 km range. The overall design of the new TE-1 is very similar to the Street and Speed Triple lineup of bikes, with a throttle action and torque delivery map directly engineered from a Speed Triple 1200 RS. The TE-1 handling matches Triumph's current triple-cylinder internal combustion sports performance motorcycles.